ADA, we start with 1 hour chart. Just want to give a quick update. If you refer to our analysis in my last video, we mentioned if you want, we mentioned we don't have any trade setup, and we mentioned if you wants to get the trade, we prefer this one turn to a deeper correction because this is what we get. Because we mentioned it can be turned to a deeper correction, we want to see whether we can put in relative to this or not. And having entry above this, we mentioned depends on the traders because that's mean if we want to have entry above this, we're going to buy the AD at the highest price. Anyway, we didn't have any trade setup and no one see what's the next. In this case, we start with daily chart. First of all, based on daily chart, we see even the price broke the previous top. It it broke the highest price of this correction, but there is no continuation. The way it's moving is already corrective. That's why if we want to look for buy, we need to be quite careful in case this one turns to a deeper correction similar to any of this. That means we will be within this corrective move for a longer time. All right. I don't mean the price cannot continue. The only thing is whoever wants to take the trade based on lower time frame, they need to have a proper management and proper trade setup in case it turns to a deeper correction. Anyway, we move to forward chart. As we can see, the way is moving every time give us a correction. It give us a spike correction. That means still we can see continuation similar to what we have here. If continue similar to any of this, is good for us. Every correction we can look for trade, but we need to know that we have a divergence there. All right, as we explained based on daily chart, how about if either from here or higher, it tends to a deeper correction. We need to be aware of that. Any trade, we need to have a proper management. And right now we see the divergence. Now we want to see whether we can put these two relative to each other as internal or not. Okay. Anyway, we don't have any trade setup based on forward chart. And if you refer to our analysis, since we have been looking for buy from here, one of the trade was at the 1.65, and even some we had a trade from here. That's why when the price was at the top, we mentioned whoever got the trade, they should know what they want to do. Either they want to keep or take out the profit. If they want to keep, they should move their stop loss to break even. Then whoever get the trade from here, they should take out the trade. They shouldn't be in this trade. And whoever get the trade from here, with this, they should know what they want to do. If they want to keep, at least move their stop loss to break even, because we can expect this one turn to a deeper correction and even take 1.65. As long as this move haven't retest the previous low, still we can look for running flat. Okay, then any reversal it can give us a good trade setup. Anyway, we don't have any trade setup right now. Still we can expect this one turn to a deeper correction, maybe same length or even longer than this. All right, how deep we cannot confirm. As long as the price haven't retested the previous low, we can look for running flat. But any reversal from now, we can look for trade, either sharp move flag, but having entry, one of if you want to have entry above the top, the only ways we having, above the top of the correction is having entry above here. And again, having entry above this top is mean we're buying at the highest price for AADA, which is really risky. That's why we prefer to wait and get the trade setup. Anyway, we don't have any trade setup. We just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thanks.